In front of me is INFINIX Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called App Management. Then you need to click on Default Apps and click on any of those sections to manage the chosen one. I want to change my browser, so I have to click here. Tap on Firefox to apply it and go back. When I do that, as you can see, my changes were successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!